Okay, perfect. All right. So again, happy New Year, guys. Hope you guys had a great New Year's. I did take a peek at the chart. Um, we got session open below. We did have this push down here. So I am expecting price to drop lower. When? We don't know, right? So I am expecting it to come down. I am going to mark up a sell and a buy just so that we have it on our screen. I'm hoping we can catch the sell somewhere down here. We do have the Asia, what is that? That might be the low. We got the Asia low right on top of the session open as well. So I do like that area. We want to be out of the trade at least by 21,227 if we do take that sell. So if we do, let's say, get an entry a little bit lower than what I'm expecting, I would say don't take it for the full 200. I mean, we do have a session below, but to be safe, I would just say make sure we're out by 21,227. Let's mark up our buy. We are bearish, so if we do get a buy entry, it will be, if we get a buy entry before it comes down to session open or even after, I will still only take it for 100 because we are very bearish. We do have these other sessions below here. We have a key level at 21,172. So there's some more key levels down there as well. So price could continue dropping today. I just would like to catch the sell early, or buy whatever it gives us. Right? We don't really know what it's going to give us, but I'm hoping it's a sell. But what I would like to see on open is a push up. Let's retest this Asia high and then give us indication that price is going to continue dropping, and then we can take the sell here. I do like where our pivots are on the screen as well for sell, so that is like a good confluence there. Let's go to the higher time frame real quick. It's 9:27. Market is going to be opening in a second. Um, let's go to the 1 hour. Mm, do we break this back out? Yeah, it looks like we did break that. All right, let's go to the 4 hour. The 1 hour, we don't have anything going. Okay, let's see. This thing look a mess. It's just wicks everywhere. Um, I mean, we really don't have any. Oh, we got this one here. I wish I could see this wick. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Mm. All right, so price is in this buy area right here, which is interesting. So yeah, if we do get that sell, I would definitely want to be out by this area because we are in this big buy gap on the 4 hour. So price could come up here. I mean, it could break it also, but I would rather just be safe than sorry. So hopefully we can catch it. Market's going to be opening in 20 seconds. So let's get ready. All right, we don't have a step one as of yet. Nevin, I don't know what you see. I don't see nothing yet. All right, y'all. Market is open.
I want to wait to see. Fresh. So.
We don't have an entry for us though anyway. But if price does come down to the session open, and give us a buy entry, we can take that too. So looking at the 3 minute, we are below session.
Mhm.
And we don't have a sell there anyway. That sell already played out on the 3 minute. So patient. I thought today would be a nice quick day, but it looks like we might be here for a little second. Let's see. Oh wait, let me let these people in the waiting area. I gotta turn that shit on. Okay. All right, so nothing as of yet. Price is literally just chilling. In order for us to get a sell indication, we need price to push up. How I did this yellow line right here. So if price pushes up here, we could probably retest this red pivot, and then we can probably get an entry down. That'll be good. If price breaks above our Asia high, price could potentially go up as well. So it's just gonna be a waiting game at this point. The volume looks super low. It's not really moving. Targeting step 2 here, but we don't have yeah. We're just gonna wait. Oh, let's let these people in. All right, so nothing yet. Price is just going back and forth. This 3 minute gave a nice sell. The entry was at 721. Our overall target is gonna be for the sell. I would say will be session open, which is all the way down here. That's what we're looking for on the 1 minute anyway. There we go. We just don't have an indication to get in yet. So patience. We're still in this big buy area. So until it actually breaks it with the body, then this is still going to be valid. But the sell is here. We just can't hop in it yet. But just because you see price dropping, please do not chase the price. Just because I'm telling you where prices is potentially going to go, don't chase it. Because we don't have an indication to get in, and you're going to set yourself up. And you may get lucky and may make you some profit, but that's not going to be the case all the time. Do we have news today, Nedra? I didn't even look. Let's see.
Yeah, they had unemployment claims at 8:30. It came in positive at 2:11.
All right. So let's mark up.
Then we got some orange folder at 9:45.
Okay. So let's mark up this price real quick. And we're gonna mark up opening price as well. And then 9:45 we still got news again. So good. Okay.
And then crude oil at 11.
Okay, we should be off by then. So all right, you said 8:30. All right, which is this cancel right here. All right, let's mark up. Oh, look at that drop. That's nice. That 3 minute was nice.
I'm hoping that we get a bounce off session open, or at least one of those.
We should get it. Well, in order for the buy, we need that damn divergence.
I ain't think about
All right, let's mark up opening price. All right, so opening price is this right candle right here. We're coming down to session open. Let's look at our indicator real quick just to make sure we're not missing anything. We don't have any divergence on the 3 minute. No, we don't have any divergence. We are getting a double body right here. How does you look at the 2 minute?
it. I'm gonna look right now. Nothing yet.
Yeah, we can.
It did give a nice structure for the sell though. The
On
sell
the
that happened
2 minute?
before market open.
Oh,
No, before,
Oh.
yeah, before market open,
okay,
like
okay.
around 8:45-ish.
Okay, cool.
So this is just a continuation of that.
Yeah, this is look that the sale started at 721.
Mm-hmm.
We do have all of these sessions below as well, so we could get divergence here. Price just has to break through all of this. And once it breaks through that, potentially, so we could potentially still get into this sale if we get a pullback. We need a pullback to come up, give us our step 1, give us our step 2, and then we could potentially take it. And I think I usually don't take it around these red flag areas, but if we do get it, I think I'm still just gonna grab it. Just because price is very bearish right now. If looking at the 4 hour, so we have 22 minutes left on this 4 hour candle. If this 4 hour candle closes below this green box, it's going to invalidate this buy area and we could potentially come lower. So we're just going to keep an eye on that as well. If it does wick up into it, that'll be good for us on a lower time frame because we will get that divergence and we can hop into the buy, but we just can't hop into anything as of yet. All right, let's analyze this 3 minute really quickly. So we got this low right here. Yeah, we need price to come down further. We need price to come down. What the hell just happened? US 30 would have almost hit TP for 50. All right, we're still dropping here, which is fine because we needed to keep dropping to get a divergence anyway. It might take that full 22 minutes we had on that 4 hour in order for us to get this divergence. So just keep that in mind. We just need the 4 hour to come back and wick back into this area, and we should be fine for the buy. So we're just gonna make sure we keep an eye on that. I do have a level at 21,172, which is about to hit. We'll just wick off of it right now. Do you have any supply and demand areas on?
No, last night when I was looking at it, I had marked up the high and the low of the last daily candle, and that's where it's at right now. It's like turtle soup in that.
Okay. Nice rejection over here. All right, so what I want to keep an eye on, I'm gonna just put a line here for now. Um, so what we want in order for it to be divergent is we need it to come up, come back down, break this lower low, come back up, potentially give us some more divergence. But right now it's still nothing. If we do break this 21,172 area, I have the next level at 21,109 ish. Mm-mm-mm. Oh wait, you said 9:45. We got news about to come up.
Yeah, for a minute.
We do have some levels up here though. If we do get a buy, it could come up to retest opening price. I would like for us to get an entry somewhere along here in the middle. News in about 3 minutes. How do we find session? All right, so we rejected also. This is the New York low from Tuesday. All right, we close back above session open. Let's see. Mm, 16 seconds left on that 4-hour candle. All right, let's see what happens. Let's mark up the let's see what a retracement could be. So it looks like, oh, this is good. If we don't create a new lower low, the retracement area will be at open. So if price can come up, reject off of open, we could potentially, if we get a sell indication, take a sell entry there. The only issue is with that is we already touched our target, which was session open. So I just have to be some strong confluence with that. But if in fact this 4-hour closes outside of this box, I will be okay with getting back in the sell. So 15 seconds left. 15 minutes on the candle. And here we go with price.
That's news.
Yeah, let's mark up our news price. Did the results come in yet?
Positive.
Okay. I'm gonna actually make this like pink or something. All right, let's leave this black one here. All right, so price is pushing up here. I just don't really have no good buy indication. No divergence on the 3-minute. Rejecting that session open.
We might get a sharp trend for the sell.
Okay. I see that. All right. I was trying to look at ES, but I feel like it's not really. Let's look at that one. I would like it to at least reject like that 38% on the Fed, like before giving us an entry. Again, if we take this sell, the sell will be for 200 actually. Why did I move that? Why did I move that? Because we are bearish. Let's take a look at this 4-hour. Oh, nice. The 4-hour is rejecting right back inside of our buy area, which is good. So if we do get a sell entry, I might only take it for 100, just because I don't like that it's in that. It's rejected nicely off that buy. Oh, hold on. Is this divergence over here? Something small. We have a slight start of a divergence. You see that on the other setting? Like it just tapped it on the chart.
On the 3-minute one?
No, look at the 1 minute. Look at the peak at 9:03. And then look at the peak it just made at 939. Like it's like a double bottom on the indicator, but on the chart it broke the lower low.
Oh, I see that. I see that.
All right. So it looks like we're gonna come up to, again, if we get this rejection off 61.8 for the sell, then we get a sell indication, I'm okay with taking the sell. We did reject that 50%, so if we do get an indication here too, we could take it here too. We don't have, we do have a step one slightly. Rejected off that 50% beautifully. Oh, I thought this was gonna be a quick day today. I'm gonna start recording this just in case we get something. Let's see how this 3-minute closes too. I would like to see all right, let's see what happens when we get to 351. Come on, reject that 351. All right, 3-minute looks like it's giving us it's changing trend. So we just gotta be careful with sells too now. All right, we're breaking above open here, looks like. All right, if we
hope we get a rejection from here.
I'm about to say, I hope we get a double body right here. Double body me. Of course not. I was so tempted to take this buy, but it just was against the trend.
I was too. I was real because I remember I told you I was
looking for the buy. It gave me my buy signal. I said, "Ooh, let me not do that today."
I hesitated because there was no divergence. But I was looking for a buy. Ooh.
We can still get it though. It's just gonna be later. Oh, let's see what happens here. We broke above that 61.8, so this pullback is irrelevant right now. So let's delete these fibs. Let me go to the higher time frame real quick. All right, so looking at the 1 hour, let's see. No, that's irrelevant. That vibe was so good. Look at this wick on the 1 hour. That shit was beautiful too. Four-hour looks nice. Okay, I'm not mad though, because we could potentially still get a buy. What I would want to see though on like the higher time frame, there's my little handy dandy arrow. Since we are in this buy gap, we are respecting it. I would like for it to come up, retest it, and then take it further higher. Like that's something else that we could look at on taking. We just have to let it come to us, though. We're not gonna like rush it. 2025, I am not risking anything. Okay. We are all gonna take high probability setups only. Why is it doing this? So let it break above. If it breaks above here, even on this one, breaks above this session, we could take it and let it retest. We do have a I have a key level at 21,800. So potentially we could catch this buy, and it'll be on trend at this point. So what we would need it to do is push up, retrace down, reset, give us a new step one, and then we can get in there from here. But that was actually a good buy. It was just off trend. We had every step, but it was just not the trend. And then looking at the 3 minute, we did have this exhaustion. That's why I said the 3 minute looked like the sell was over. We had this exhaustion right here. So that was good. $9.36. We could potentially, on the 3 minute, what I would want to see to confirm our bias on the 1 minute, push up a little bit more, come down, stay on top of our session pivot line, and then give us an indication that price is going to go higher. So it's so crazy because this week was earnings week and it's also NFP tomorrow. So like, why are we not ripping through shit? Like, what's happening?
I don't know, but come get me because I'm ready to press the sell button.
No. What are you doing? You don't even have nothing. You don't press the sell button.
I'm like, it looked like it's about to go down. Let me press it.
No, I just said we are not chasing in 2025, okay? Remember, we don't want to blow these accounts. We just trying to get paid. An entry is always going to come. Like it's going to come. Now, we could potentially take the sell. We need step 2. We don't have step 2, ma'am. Okay. Can't hit sell without step 2. We do have step 1, though. We do have step 1. It's just I won't take it for 200. I will probably take it for 100. I mean, yeah. Because we can still get divergence. It just has to come down, break this lower low. So we could possibly catch it from the bottom. All right, so we are wicking off of our red pivot. Looking at the 3 minute, we have a doji, which could could be a determination that price is going to turn around, but we do have a shark fin on a 3-minute pending. But in order for us to even look at that for ourselves, price needs to come below 21,335 on a 3-minute. Volume is so low. Like, these candles are barely moving. Barely moving. Let me see what my top stuff looks like. Oh, I forgot. All right, y'all. I'm so tired. What's happening? All right, I like this projection we have on the 3-minute. I just feel like 200. What do you feel about if we do get the sell, 200 or 100?
I'm always on 100 today.
Mm-hmm.
If we get entry.
That's what I'm saying. I can't. This 200 is very, very risky if we do get entry. So let's see.
Because I already feel like I missed the buy that I was looking for. So
I'm just mad we didn't get the entry for real. We had everything confirmed.
It just wasn't divergent. That was the only thing.
That was the only thing missing.
But it had a shark fin. We had confirmation. We had everything else.
If it was bullish, that would have been an entry, but it wasn't bullish, so we needed to.
Oh, and that too. That's right.
Because if it was bullish, we wouldn't even need divergent.
We technically getting a step 2 right now.
All right. I like that 3-minute. It has like a morning star a little bit. $40 seconds left on this candle. We don't have a confirmation for step 2 yet. We don't really have I guess this previous candle was engulfing, but I think I would want a new engulfing, but let's see what happens here. I like this rejection here, so if it does close, I may get in it based off of that rejection off the 7. All right, it's 5 seconds, y'all. You gonna wait for engulfing, Nedra?
I mean, the step 2 closed, so I'm just gonna go in low risk.
Order submitted.
Oh, you in it already? Okay. Go in.
Order failed.
I don't like it though.
Order submitted.
Why are some of my accounts negative, some positive?
Nope.
We might get stopped out.
Order failed.
Okay. Oh, you got stopped out already?
I did.
Why am I still in it? Oh, because you got in a little earlier than me, I think. I'm gonna get stopped out too, I think.
Yeah.
Order failed.
Get for rushing. But we definitely forced that, but
yeah.
We definitely forced it. All right, let's see. That And that's crazy because I haven't seen where the swing actually did one and then changed.
Me either,
I've
girl.
never seen that.
No.
How that 2 minute looking? Let's see. Oh, that 2 minute is still bullish. That shit gonna go to that New York high. The 2 minute is very much still bullish.
Let me see. Yeah. It's gonna come down though, but
Ugh. Target is gonna be up here. 21,488. I'm rejecting here. ES look bullish as hell. All right. Nothing. We could potentially get another step too, but now I'm freaking hesitant.
well, because it was so bullish, technically we should have waited for the divergence.
You're right.
And we didn't do that. That was the mistake that we made. So now that it's showing some divergence, if we get a step two, it's more likely.
You're right. Why was we looking for a sell? And I said it was getting bullish.
Well, we could take a sell, but we need divergence, and we did it without. We just did it with a sharp.
All right. So yeah, we do have some sort of divergence here.
Now you see it a little bit, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
The 3 minute got some divergence too. That's nice.
Oh, is it? Let me look. I don't really see it on the 3 minute.
You see the first peak at 842.
Oh.
And then 954 is higher than 842.
Oh, I got you.
Come on, trade. It's 10:09, and this thing is moving so slow. All right. It's on a buy gap right now. All right, it's still pushing up. So we could be getting a pullback soon, because we are divergent. So that's good. I would like it to push up to this New York high and then come down, but it could do what it want to do at this point. All right, we could potentially get an entry in this area, but our pivots are so close together right here. I would like it to break this higher high though, which is why I wanted to come up to this New York because it'll make the divergence even better if it stays divergent. So, oh God, y'all. And I don't want it to break this higher high on a 3-minute. In order for us to get a step one for a buy, we do need price to drop. So that's why if we do get this sell on this divergence, it could be good. Okay, we could get that pullback that we were talking about here. Oh, that's a double body on the women there. Is it? No, it's a little bit lower. Get me off these charts. Step 2 pending for this style. We are divergent. Price could push lower to make that sharp fin for a buy. So I am, if I lose this one, I'm done. Well, we needed to confirm. I just don't like that these pivots are so crunched up. 20 seconds on this candle. Don't come down any lower. Why you doing this to me? Oh, wait. All right, 7, 6. Come on, no. Don't hit the band. Don't hit the band. All right.
Order submitted.
Oh God, I need to make sure my stop is in the right place.
Order submitted.
I don't like the way it's moving. I need to see where my stop is at. Lord child. All right, I'm out.
Order filled.
They stopped me out in profit. Y'all probably still in it. It's about to hit y'all TP though. There you go. Full TP. Y'all should have all made y'all money back. Child, I'm over it.
Yeah, I made my money back and I'm like 700 positive.
Me too. I'm 490 positive for the day, and I'm gonna take it because
child, goodbye, because that was
crazy. But that was it. The problem was we didn't wait for that divergence, and it became divergence right here. So
we jumped the gun.
See, and that's why it's so good, y'all. It's about to break open in price right here, but that's why it's so important to trade the trend, right? So we missed this beautiful buy, right? It was so beautiful, but that was not the trend at the time, right? Now we got caught up because we forgot that it broke the sell trend, and we tried to take a sell here, which wasn't the trend at that moment, right? So the trend is always going to change. It's always important to trade the trend. Hopefully you guys caught that. But yeah, I'm done, y'all. That shit stressed me out.
Girl.
And look, now I want to go for 200. Ain't that some shit? That's why. And I was gonna say take it to the purple pivot, but it is what it is. We're done. I'm not trading no more for the day. Tomorrow is NFP, so we're probably not gonna do a live tomorrow. But I'll see you guys Monday. We're gonna start fresh. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Bye, y'all.
You too.